Hi guys, today we're going to talk about the electrics on the Gen 3R tent and one little tip that seems to come up as a question fairly often. So I've shown you where the solar comes out, that's where the solar comes in. There's no risks of leaks or anything like that once when you install solar, because we've already done all the hard work for you. Okay, so you may or may not know that there's a USB power point over here on the back right corner of the tent. And then a question that comes up very, very often to people that have just received their tent is they go up to the light up here, they say, I've flicked the switch and nothing's happening. The reason being is we've made it convenient for you to be able to switch your light on and off without getting up at night. So the switch is now down here, midway on the driver's side door of the tent. And that's how you power your adventures.